Back viewers, you're watching the Savera and I'm Shefali. Justice Bhushan Ramakrishna Gavai is set to take over the 52nd Chief Justice of India, succeeding Justice Sanjeev Khanna on May 14. CJI Khanna has recommended Justice Gavai's name to the Union Law Ministry as he is due to retire on May 13th. Appointed to the Supreme Court on May 24, 2019, Justice Gavai's tenure as the CJI is scheduled to end on November 23, 2025. But who is Justice Gavai? Born on November 24, 1960 in Amravati, Maharashtra, Justice Gavai began his legal career on March 16, 1985. He initially worked with the late barrister Raja S. Bhosle, a former Advocate General and High Court judge, until 1987. He later practiced independently at the Bombay High Court and from 1990 onwards, primarily at its Nagpur bench, focusing on constitutional and administrative law. Throughout his legal career, Justice Gavai served as standing counsel for the Municipal Corporation of Nagpur and Amravati, as well as for Amravati University. He presented various local bodies and councils across the Vadabra region. He also served as assistant government pleader and additional public prosecutor at the Nagpur bench between August 1992 and July 1993. He was appointed government pleader and public prosecutor for the same bench on January 17, 2000. Justice Gavai was elevated as an additional judge of the Bombay High Court on November 14, 2003 and was confirmed as a permanent judge on November 12, 2005. During his tenure, he presided over cases at multiple benches including Mumbai, Nagpur, Aurangabad and Panji. Key fundamentals of Justice B.R. Gavai. Abrogation of special status for Jammu and Kashmir 2023. Justice Gavai was part of a 5-judge constitution bench compromising Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justices Sanjay Kishan Kaul, Sanjeev Khanna and Surya Kant. Justice Gavai concurred with the unanimous verdict upholding the constitutional validity of the abrogation of Article 370. The court ruled that the centre's action in revoking Jammu and Kashmir's special status was lawful and with its constitutional mandate. The bench also directed the restoration of statehood and mandated the Election Commission of India to hold assembly elections in Jammu and Kashmir by 30th September 2024. Justice Gavai observed that the Union has adequately consulted the Reserve Bank of India before initiating the policy and held that the government possesses the power to declare all series of any denomination in invalid legal tender. He further ruled that the scheme passed the test of proportionality and was executed in a reasonable manner. Justice B.V. Nagarnathan, the sole dissenter, acknowledged the intent but called the implementation proceedfully false and unlawful. Justice Gavai, along with Justice Arun Mishra and M.R. Shah, ruled the Union government within its right to withdraw excise duty exemptions in the public interest, particularly when scientific evidence suggests him to public health. The judgment dealt with the excise duty exemptions granted to the products like pan masala and tambaku, which were later withdrawn due to their carcinogenic properties. This was all the success stories of CJI, the new CJI, who's going to be Justice Gavai. That's all for now. For this update, stay tuned, download the Savera app and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube.